How to use VidIQ Research Keyword Tool. Welcome to this tutorial on how to use VidIQ Research Keyword Tool. Whether you're a YouTuber looking to optimize your videos or a content creator aiming to boost your channel's visibility, VidIQ is a powerful tool to help you find the best keywords for your content. In this guide, we'll walk you through the essential features and strategies to maximize your keyword research in VidIQ. Now, before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, let's discuss what is VidIQ. VidIQ is a browser extension and YouTube certified tool designed to help content creators optimize their videos for search engines. It provides insight into keyword performance, video analytics, and SEO scores to improve your channel's growth. Now, let's go ahead and set up VidIQ. First things first, you want to navigate through their official website, which is vidiq.com. And from here, we can now go ahead and implement this into our strategy or our YouTube channel. Basically, from here, just click on the sign up for free button. It will then take us to our Google accounts where we have to sign up using our Google accounts. And right after loading in, it will then take us to the overview of dashboard of our YouTube account right here. So basically, this is the entire overview of VidIQ, and if you want to install the browser extension, you can just click on the install extension button. Now, it is really important to install the VidIQ extension in order to use the full features and capability of this SEO tool. And so with the VidIQ extension, you will be able to research some videos and keywords here on the YouTube platform. So let's go ahead and say that I want to search something like SEO, and from there it will then take us to this page. Now, once inside and once we have installed the VidIQ extension, it will then go ahead and show us the overall score of this specific keyword. In our case, it's going to be SEO. So the overall score is going to be high and the competition is medium. So you can go ahead and use this for your YouTube channel or your YouTube SEO. From here, we have your search term, you have your highest view, you have your average views, average subscriber, and basically the overall information for this specific keyword, which is SEO. Basically, under that, we have the top channels for this specific search term, and below we also have the top related opportunities. So basically, if you go ahead and click on some of the options right here, we have the SEO in digital marketing. You can just go ahead and use this and integrate it into your keyword. So let's just go ahead and type SEO in digital marketing. We can then go ahead and review the score once more. So for this one, it's going to be medium. The volume is going to be at the center, which is 47. And the competition is once again medium. So you can just go ahead and use this specific keywords in order to align or put keywords on your specific YouTube channel videos. Now heading back to our dashboard from VidIQ, we can then go ahead and navigate through each feature. For the first one, you have your optimize, which is going to be your optimize on your YouTube channel. You also have the generate section right here. Start your next video, generate proven titles, thumbnails, description, and outline. Basically, you can go ahead and generate those inside VidIQ. It's one of their latest and newest feature. So if we go ahead and type something like generate financial tips title, it will then go ahead and give us the best way in order for us to implement this specific title into our YouTube channel. So from here, the top related keyword is going to be make money online or how to make money online. If you click on some of the words right here, it will then tell you the score once more, the volume, and all of the information for this specific keyword. Now below that, you have your thumbnail, you have your keywords. So once again, this is like from the extension itself. If we go ahead and search something like Android and hit on enter, we will then go ahead and see the overall score for this specific keyword. But inside the dashboard, we can then go ahead and see more. So for example, once again, it's going to be the overall score. We have the search volume and we have the competition. If you have a very high competition, you can just go ahead and navigate through your next keyword. I suggest using some specific keywords And to find those, you want to click on the related keyword button. So from here, we have additional keywords to go ahead and use for our YouTube channel. You can also go ahead and export this by clicking on the export button. You want to click on the matching terms to find matching keywords for our specific keyword. In our case, it's going to be Android, and the matching terms is going to be Android Studio, Android 15, or Paranoid Android. Of course, this feature right here is limited because we are only using the free plan of this specific tool, which is VidIQ. We also have the last category inside the keyword section, which is question. We also have outliers right here in order to go ahead and discover winning ideas to inspire our next video. So from here, we have something like this one, which is going to be for the next. We have this one, which is over 100x, which is the amateur fighter versus thug getting destroyed. You can go ahead and use this in order to boost your YouTube channel. You can generate ideas and outliers from this category. Just below that, you have your ideas. Welcome to daily ideas. You want to customize ideas, and it is updated daily based on the customization right here. Now, for the next category, it's going to be create. We can then go ahead and create our idea from scratch, and so on and so forth. But the best tool inside VidIQ is going to be their SEO and keyword research. You cannot go ahead and use this specific features right here below the category if you're using the free trial. So once again, you want to focus your attention on the keyword research right here, because this is where we are going to go ahead and do most of our research. Now, basically, understanding the keyword metric is really important. Now we have our search volume. This indicates how many people are searching for the keywords. You have your competition score, which shows how difficult is it to rank for the keywords. And lastly, you have your overall keyword score. Basically, it's a combination of search volume and competition, helping you identify the best opportunities. Now, the advanced features is once again it's going to be the related keywords, the trending keywords, and the search explorer. With the search explorer, it provides in-depth analysis of keywords with data on tap, ranking videos, tags, and engagement metrics. Now, for keyword optimization strategies, you want to target long-tail keywords. These are more specific phrases with lower competition and higher conversion rates. So instead of saying Android, you want to say Android Polaroid 15 or something. So for the next one, you want to analyze your competitors. Check what keywords top performing channels are using. Next, optimize video metadata. You want to use keywords in your video title, description, and tags for better visibility. Now, the common mistakes to avoid are keyword stuffing. You want to avoid overloading your content with keywords because it can harm your SEO. Now, another common mistake is ignoring relevance. Ensure your keywords are relevant to your content to maintain audience retention. And lastly, for common mistakes, it's going to be neglecting analytics. Regularly review your video performance to adjust your keyword strategy. Now, in conclusion, VidIQ Research Keyword Tool is an intuitive asset for YouTube content creator. By leveraging its features and data-driven insights, you can optimize your videos for better discoverability and channel growth. If you found this video or tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy creating! Thank you.